Page 54, Song Without Words. I look it over, it's a page long, treble bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature. It is in the key of G major. That's what we're studying now. So go ahead and do the scales and arpeggios for G major, and go ahead and do the ones for E minor also. E minor has 1 sharp in the key signature. And 3/4 time signature, 1 hand at a time. Let's check the notes, rhythms, fingerings, and all that. 3rd finger here, puts the hand here. To start, we'll move around a little bit, but start here. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You get the idea? And the second line, measure 8, you get a rest. And during that rest, you need to move up here. So thumbs on B. 1, 2, 3. And just reach up a little bit. You're not moving the hand, just the little finger, because then the second finger on the C sharp. See, we're still right there where we were. It just went up. And then during the rest, there in the 3rd line, you come back down. Okay. Left hand's broken chords. See all 3 notes in the first measure? It's a G chord, a 1 chord. And then measure 5, just reach down from here. And then up, F sharp now. And 3rd line, on measure 13, it's an E. And then crunch up, A. And then 2, G. And now it's a G major scale. Yeah. Last line at the bottom, measure 26, and then F. They want 4th finger, that's fine, just reach out a little bit. Reach up. Okay, then we put the hands together and see what happens. It's here. Reach down with the left hand, and here. So I go through it, I'll put the hands together, and then I'll go back over it a few measures at a time, slowly, and work out the hesitations. So it's a steady beat from start to finish. Once you get the hesitations out, I do the articulation. And this is connected. You see in between the staves on the first measure, there's an MP and a legato. With the MPs, that's dynamic, so do that later. The legato is what I'm after. Legato means connected. This is very connected throughout. You have the phrasing in the right hand, and you have to lift up between the phrases because there's a measure rest between all the phrases. So that works out fine. And the left hand, I'm connecting it from start to finish, all the way through, connecting it up. Then I have the dynamics, and MP, mezzo piano, and that applies to the melody, which is the right hand, was sort of soft. Left hand is soft, very soft. And this is something you have to watch out for, because it'll happen all by itself. So be aware that when a hand gets busy, like this, whatever the notes are, if I play the right notes, it will just automatically get louder. It'll do it on its own. You'll start out okay, and then you'll just get louder. It'll just happen. So you have to be aware of that and listen and make sure the left hand stays in the background. Now in measure 9, you come up to moderately loud, but the left hand still needs to be soft. So you can do the dynamics and then the speed. Andante, it's the feel of it. Because 144 for a quarter note, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, that's not andante. No, it's more like an allegretto. But it's the feel of the piece, and that means these dotted half notes in the melody. That's what you're feeling, and that feels slow. And that's what we're after. The natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's the feel of it. Something like that. I see in measure 27 they did put an accent in there. they're kind of telling you it's not really an accent in this case. We shape the phrase, and that's the la ba da, go up to here, da, da, and then come back down. It's like a swell up and back down. So you're not just accenting one note. You're swelling out, ba, da, and then come down. And you can actually come down to soft at the end. You're at the, yeah. You have to feel the dynamics like you have to feel everything else. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. I'm not doing the dynamics. We're playing everything about the same. I need you to hear all the notes and so forth. And we're going to go really slow. 1, ready, go. Three,